she is. Are you done? Are you done running now? Oh, doing some more cleaning. Missy likes to run. Yeah. It's not a bad day. Got a little bit of sunshine. It's not a bad day. Yeah. It's not a bad day. I'm going to bask in the sun for a while. I just moved that. Thought it would be out of the way. Okay. All right. You see anything out there, miss? No kitty cat? Yeah. You look like you got a good spot. You look like you're back in your happy spot there. All right, I'm going to do a little bit more cleaning and have a snack, and I think I'll go for a walk while the weather is nice. Yeah. My day off. Yeah. Your tail's flipping around. Where should I put that, huh? You're funny. You're funny. Oh. And it's, well, I guess this is the best spot. Yeah, I'll put it there. All right. All right, sweetie. Enjoy. Enjoy this nice spot. Yeah.